Hi, I'm Rhea, and you're watching Rhea Speaks, where we learn real-life English with confidence. Let's get started. Have you ever seen an old house that everyone was afraid of? People said strange sounds came from inside every night. Some believed it was haunted. Others said a hidden treasure was buried there. But one brave girl decided to enter the house. What she found inside changed everyone's life forever. Stay till the end to discover the secret. Learn new English words, improve your speaking, and practice English with me. The secret behind the old house. Once upon a time, there was a small village surrounded by green trees and beautiful fields. At the end of the village stood an old house. The house was very old, broken, and covered with dust. Its windows were cracked, and the wooden door made a loud sound whenever the wind blew. The villagers never went near the house. They believed it was haunted. Every night they heard strange noises. Children were told never to go there. One day, a curious girl named Emma came to visit her grandmother. Emma loved reading mystery books. When she heard the story about the old house, she smiled. "I don't believe in ghosts," she said. Her grandmother warned her, "Please don't go there. Many people have tried, but everyone came back frightened." Emma thanked her grandmother but decided to find the truth. The next afternoon, she packed a flashlight, a notebook, a bottle of water, and a small camera. Slowly, she walked toward the old house. The air was quiet. The trees moved gently in the wind. As she opened the old wooden door, it made a long, creaking sound. Inside, everything was covered with dust. Old chairs, broken tables, and torn curtains were everywhere. Suddenly, she heard a strange sound. Tap, tap, tap. Her heart started beating faster. She followed the sound carefully. It came from the upstairs room. Step by step, she climbed the old staircase. The stairs made a loud noise. When she opened the room, she saw nothing. The room was empty. Then she heard the sound again. Tap, tap, tap. This time she looked at the window. A broken tree branch was hitting the glass because of the wind. Emma laughed. So this is the scary sound. She continued searching. Behind an old bookshelf, she found a small wooden box. Inside the box was an old diary. The diary belonged to the owner of the house. It said, "If someone finds this diary, please tell the villagers that there are no ghosts here. I hid important documents inside the basement to protect them during difficult times." Emma quickly searched the basement. There she found several old family records, photographs, and papers that helped many families prove the ownership of their land. The villagers were surprised. For years they had believed a false story. There had never been any ghost, only fear, imagination, and misunderstanding. The old house became a small village museum. Children visited it to learn history instead of fearing it. Emma became known as the bravest girl in the village. From that day, everyone learned an important lesson. Sometimes the biggest fear exists only in our minds. The real secret is often the truth waiting to be discovered. Difficult words. Haunted, bhutia, manajana. Curious, jigyasu. Mystery, rahasya. Village, gaon. Surrounded, gera hua. Cracked, tuta hua. Dust, duel. Flashlight, torch. Creaking, charmarahatki awaz. Staircase, seedhi. Basement, dahkhana. Diary, documents. Zaruri kagaz. Discover, khoj karna. Fear, dar. Truth, sach. Imagination, kalpana. Brave Bahadur. Moral: never believe rumors without knowing the truth. Fear often comes from imagination, not reality. Speaking lesson: repeat after me. I am not afraid of learning new things. I always try to find the truth. Fear disappears when we face it. Every problem has a solution. Confidence makes us stronger. Practice sentences. I entered the old house with confidence. Everyone believed the house was haunted. Emma found an old diary. The truth changed the whole village. We should never believe rumors without proof. So, what do you think? Was the old house really haunted? Or was it just fear and imagination? Tell me your answer in the comments using English. Write this sentence. I would enter the old house because I am brave. Or, I would never enter the old house because I would be scared. I will read your comments and reply to some of them. If you enjoyed today's story and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rhea Speaks. Every week, I bring you exciting English stories, new vocabulary, speaking practice, and easy English lessons to help you become more confident. See you in the next story. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep smiling.